Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. For this spread, I will be using the Homebody collection by Sahin Designs, and I am just starting here by filling in some of my holes with some of the nice pocket cards that are included in this kit. And then once I have those, I will start looking. Oh, well, actually, I'm going to put in some stamps here because I still have more kind of empty holes than I like for just the papers, so I'm taking a look through here at her stamps so I know, if I want to match my paper to these nice stamps that she has included. So that's what I've done up there in the top. And now I am finishing up, filling in the background with these papers. And once I have those situated, I will start adding in elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.